Good morning everyone. So today children we will do question answers of chapter 6. You can bring your book and notebook and let's start with me. Chapter 6, that is living and non-living. What is question number 1? Question answers we will do. Question number 1. Why do animals move from one place to another? Okay. Why do animals move, beta? You should know animals move in search of food, water and shelter and to protect themselves from their enemies. So we will write this answer. Animals move in search of food, water, shelter and to protect themselves from their enemies. Okay, अपने enemies से अपने को protect करने के लिए they move from one place to another and in search of food, water and shelter they move here and there. Okay. Now question number 2 we will write. What is question number 2? What is reproduction? Question number 2 is what is reproduction? And reproduction you have already learned in word meaning. So same definition you can write here. What is that? The process that helps living things to produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. So what is reproduction? The process that helps living things to produce more of their own kind, अपने ही जैसे own kind babies को produce करना, that process is called as reproduction. So same definition you can write in this. Now we will write question number 3. What is question number 3? How do animals feel changes around them? How do animals feel the changes in their environment? So how do they feel the changes? कैसे वो जो environment का जो vision है उसको feel करते हैं? What are the organs in which they help? So we will write in this. Animals feel the changes around them due to their sense organ, and there are mainly 5 sense organ. What these are? You know already: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and the skin. So same answer we will write here. Animals feel changes around them with the help of their sense organs. What these sense organs are, like eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So what questions we have done? We have done these three questions. What was first? How do animals move? Animals move in search of food, water, shelter and to protect themselves from their enemies. That's why they move here and there. Question number 2. What is reproduction? The process that helps living things to produce more of their own kind. अपने ही जैसे same babies को produce करना, that basically called as reproduction. How do animals feel changes around them? Animals जो होते हैं वो change को कैसे feel करते हैं in their environment? Animals feel changes around them with the help of their sense organs. And what these sense organs are? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and their skin. Now question number 4 we will do. You can write question number 4. Question number 4 is, write any two differences write any, not two, we will write the 4 differences below. They are asking about 4 differences. Write any 4 differences between a living and non-living thing. We will write the differences, any 4 difference. 4 difference आपको बताने हैं between living and non-living thing. So we will write the differences are, the 4 differences are, what is first one? And here we will write about the living thing. And here we will write about the non-living things. What is first? We will write living things need food to live and grow. All the living things need food. You can put up a line in between. Need food to live and grow. Same here we will write here. इसी का जो part है आप वो लिखेंगे. Living things need food to live and grow. If we will talk about the non-living things, so non-living things do not need food as they do not have their life. So this is first. The second difference is about they can move on their own. And if we will talk about the non-living things, they cannot move on their own. Until we are not moving them, they can't move. So you will write here, they cannot move on their own. I hope you have done question number 3. So I am erasing it. I will write it down. The third difference. What is third difference? They need air to breathe. They need air to breathe. And if we will talk about the non-living things, they do not need air to breathe, and they do not breathe. You can write directly. They do not breathe, as they do not have their life. Next and fourth and last, that is, they reproduce. And here you can write, they do not reproduce. If they do not have their life, so how they will reproduce? So all the 4 points we have written. What is first? Living things need food to live and grow. Non-living things do not need food to live and grow. They can move on their own. They cannot move on their own. They need air to breathe. They do not breathe. They reproduce. They do not reproduce. Now next question we will write down. What is next? Question number 5. How do insects breathe? How do insects breathe? So children, you know insects breathe through the air holes which are present on their body. You have seen the picture given in your book also. So we will write here, insects breathe through air holes present on their body. So do it. Next question. So children, what you have written in question number 4, again I am revising this. You see, write any 4 differences between a living and non-living thing. What are these? In between living and non-living thing we have written the differences. Here the living things need food to live and grow. All the living things need food to live and grow. If we will talk about the non-living things do not need food to live and grow. The second one, they can move on their own. But if we will talk about the non-living thing, they cannot move on their own until we are not moving them. Okay, जब तक हम उनको move नहीं कराते तब तक वो अपने आप move नहीं कर सकते. They need air to breathe. उनको breathe करने के लिए air की जरूरत होती है. They are breathing. If we will talk about the non-living things, they do not breathe as they are not having their life, so they don't need to breathe. They reproduce. They are having their own babies, all the living things. But if you will see the living things do not reproduce. Next question, what was? How do insects breathe? Insects breathe through their air holes. Air holes से वो breathe करते हैं, which are present on their body, जो उनकी body पे present होते हैं. And then we will write the next question. What is next question? So children, I am writing here. Question number 6, you write, how do plants breathe? How do plants breathe? Now here is a question, how do plants breathe? अब plants कैसे breathe करते हैं? Plants are also living things. Plants जो होते हैं वो भी living thing होते हैं. So how do they breathe? I have told you, if you will see the leaves. So at the underside of the leaf there are many tiny holes, and these tiny holes are known as stomata. इनको हम बोलते हैं stomatas. and these stomatas are present on the leaf at the underside of the leaf, and these basically help in exchanging gases. Exchanging gases means we release carbon dioxide gas which they use to make their food, and during photosynthesis process they release oxygen gas for us. हमारे लिए वो oxygen gas को release करते हैं, so we used to breathe it, and as we release carbon dioxide, so they use it for making their food. So what we will write in this answer? Plants breathe through stomatas present on the leaves. So all the question answers completed, children. Today in homework you have to do these question answers and you have to learn it also. Thank you.